Introduction. Hello friends, welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Lata.
And I'm Raju. Today we have a longer and very important lesson for you, talking about health in English.
Yes, we will learn how to visit the doctor, how to explain our problems, and how to understand the doctor's advice.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Smith. I'll guide you in this lesson and show you real English used in a clinic.
And I'm Anna, the nurse. I'll help you learn polite English at the reception too.
Vocabulary health words.
Repeat after us. Headache, stomachache, fever, cold, cough, sore throat, back pain, medicine, prescription, clinic, appointment, patient, doctor, nurse, checkup.
Useful expressions. As a patient, you can say, I don't feel well. I have a pain in my back. I have had a fever since yesterday. I need to see a doctor.
At the reception, you can hear, do you have an appointment? Please fill in this form. Take a seat, the doctor will see you soon.
As a doctor, I often say, what seems to be the problem? Let me check your temperature. How long have you had these symptoms? You need some rest. I'll give you a prescription.
Role play at the reception. Good morning. I need to see a doctor.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Can I see the doctor today?
Yes, please fill in this form with your name and phone number. Then take a seat.
Thank you. Role play meeting the doctor. Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well.
Good morning, Lata. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and a little fever. I see. How long have you had these symptoms? Since yesterday evening.
Do you also have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Let me check your temperature. It's a bit high.
Doctor, is it serious?
Don't worry. It looks like the flu. She needs rest and medicine.
Thank you, doctor. Will it take long to get better?
No. In 3-4 days, you will feel better. Drink warm water, sleep well, and take your medicine.
Extra role play asking more questions. Doctor, can I go to work tomorrow?
I recommend you stay at home for at least 2 days.
What kind of food should she eat?
Eat light food, like soup and rice. Avoid cold drinks and ice cream.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Here is your prescription.
Mini dialogue at the pharmacy.
Hello, I need to buy this medicine.
Sure. Here it is. Take 1 tablet after meals, 3 times a day.
Thank you very much.
Review section. Today we learned many health words: headache, fever, cough, prescription, clinic.
We practiced sentences at the reception. Do you have an appointment? Please fill in this form.
We also learned doctor's sentences. What seems to be the problem? Let me check your temperature. You need rest.
And we even practiced at the pharmacy.
Practice homework. Write 3 sentences as a patient. I have a stomachache. I don't feel well. I need to see a doctor. Write 3 sentences as a nurse. Please take a seat. Do you have an appointment? The doctor will see you soon. Write 3 sentences as a doctor. How long have you had these symptoms? You need to rest. I will give you a prescription. Call to action. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit like
and subscribe for more weekly English lessons.
Stay healthy and practice English every day.
See you in the next episode.